Turmeric stands to be the key ingredient in every household. No recipe is complete without a pinch of this ingredient. However, its benefits on the skin are quite impressive too. If you're facing dark circles and puffy eyes, we recommend ditching everything else and trying this magic powder out. In this video, I will be sharing some tricks using the star ingredient turmeric, which will help in lightening the dark circles while improving the quality of your skin. Trick number 1. Turmeric plus curd plus lemon. In a clean bowl, add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of curd and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix well to form a paste. Apply it under your eyes and let it set for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off using plain water and pat the skin dry. Use this treatment every day to get rid of dark circles. Turmeric contains antibacterial properties which kill the bacteria that causes skin damage. Curd and lemon both contribute to skin whitening. Trick number 2. Turmeric, honey plus lemon. In a glass bowl, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients to form a smooth paste. Scoop it on your finger and apply it under the eyes. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes and rinse it off using warm water. Pat the skin dry and finish by applying a light moisturizer on it. Use this remedy twice every week for best results. This mask is the perfect solution to dark circles. It contains ingredients which brightens the skin while moisturizing the under eye. Trick number 3. Olive oil plus turmeric. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a pinch of turmeric powder in a bowl. Cleanse your face and pat the skin dry. Scoop this mix on a facial brush and apply it under your eyes. Let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse it off using plain water. Olive oil hydrates the under eyes, which fastens the cell regeneration process. Turmeric, on the other hand, has properties which brighten the skin. Trick number 4. Yogurt plus turmeric. Make a paste using a pinch of turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Apply it under the eyes in a thick layer and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Use fresh water to rinse the mask off and pat the skin dry. Finish by applying a light moisturizer. Massage in a circular motion until the skin absorbs it. Use this remedy every alternate day to make your dark circles disappear. Yogurt contains lactic acid which brightens the skin and works on pigmentation and darkness. Turmeric powder kills the bacteria that causes skin damage. Trick number 5. Turmeric plus baking soda plus lemon juice. Make a paste by mixing half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda and 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. Cleanse your face using a mild cleanser and pat the skin dry. Scoop this turmeric mix and apply it under the eye. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse it off using cold water. Use this mask 1 to 2 times in a week. This mask contains ingredients which are bleaching ingredients. Lemon and baking soda both lightens the dark circles while improving blood circulation for faster repair. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button on your YouTube app to never miss an update from Glowpink.